All right, guys, welcome to this week's Tech Tip Happy Hour. This week we're going to talk about smart devices or IoT devices. So this could be your thermostats, your light switches, or any other, coffee makers, crock pots, anything else you're hooking up to your network, either at home or your business. So there's three major things we want to make sure that we're doing to secure your other devices when you're connecting these devices to your network. The best thing to do is, and this may only be available in a business network, is to create what they call a VLAN, or a separate virtual network that these devices hook up to that kind of cannot communicate to the other devices on your network, to kind of safeguard those devices from talking to your thermostats and the rest of those devices. The second thing is to make sure that you always change the default username and password. If those devices have a username and password for a web interface that you can log into, make sure you don't leave it as admin password, so anybody could access that device if they had the opportunity. And the third thing is to make sure that you're updating the firmware on those devices when it's pushed out. If you see that an update is available, especially if it's a security related update, that you're going in and hitting the button and make sure that those updates are happening on a regular basis, because typically they're updating those for a reason, because these types of devices can be a way that malicious actors can get into your network and try to do other weird things. So we want to make sure that we're following these three basic security steps to keep your devices secure. All right, so this week, since we're talking about smart devices, we are making a drink called Street Smart. So we're going to take our highball glass here filled with ice. I'm going to take 1.5 ounces here of, this is Absolute Raspberry. Okay. Then we're going to take 5 ounces of Sprite here. It's not all going to fit. So we're doing 2 ounces today. And just a little dash of lime juice. There we go. We'll stir that around a little bit. There you go. We'll see you guys next week.